Have you ever accidentally deleted a precious post from your Instagram feed? Don't panic just yet. You can restore it if you deleted it in the past month. I will show you how you can restore a deleted post on Instagram. Like any digital device, Instagram keeps a recycle bin where recently deleted posts reside. Open the Instagram app. Navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Your Activity. Then tap Recently Deleted. Here, you'll find a list of your deleted posts. Select the post you want to restore. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now choose Restore. Confirm by tapping Restore. Your post will be revived in its original location in your feed. This is how you restore your deleted post on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.